Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of vertical angles. Vertical angles is one of the more straightforward concepts in geometry, and guys generally grasp this pretty quickly. Well, vertical angles are angles that are formed from the result of two intersecting lines. So here we have two lines, line Q and line P, that intersect. And the vertical angles are the ones that are kind of opposite each other. So I have highlighted here angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. And angles 3 and 4 are vertical angles. So we have a theorem that says that if two angles are vertical, then they are congruent. So, and you'll use this as a reason in proof, and we'll let you just shorten this to vertical angles are congruent. That's straightforward. So we can take a look at our diagram, our vertical angles that we've got here. We can say that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and we can say angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Okay? So those are congruent angles. And we have proved this theorem earlier in the year. If you take a look at this, don't we know that angle 1 and angle 4 are supplements? So angle 1 plus angle 4, well, they equal 180 degrees. And we also know that angle 2 plus angle 4 equals 180, because these are also two angles that form a straight angle. Well, angle 4 is common to both, and we could do some subtraction. We could subtract angle 4 from both sides, and we could subtract angle 4 from both sides, and we would get that angle 1 equals 180 minus angle 4, and angle 2 also equals 180 minus angle 4. And therefore, we can say, since angle 1 and angle 2 both equal 180 minus 4, that they are congruent. So we have just proven this using a little algebra, some of our geometry. We have just proven the theorem that vertical angles are congruent. So now you can use this as another reason in proof. You have angles like 3 and 4 that are opposite each other like this, or 1 and 2 that are opposite each other. Write that in your proof. Your statement would be angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and your reason, vertical angles are congruent. And we will practice that more when I see you in class.